need to share your location with someone, here's how to do it on WhatsApp. First, open a chat with the person you want to share the location with. You can see the paperclip icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it to open the attachment menu. Select location from the options. Choose send your current location to share your exact location, or select send live location to share your real-time location for a specific period. You can also search for a place and send it directly. On send, your location will appear on the chat as a map. Use send live location if you are meeting someone in a large area or want to share where you are going in real time. Have you ever shared your location on WhatsApp before? Let me know how it went in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.